Okay, today, class, we're going to start something really interesting. We're going to find the trouble codes on our Harley Davidson Sportster. 2009, 1200, XL.
So what you're going to want to do is hit that trip button, hold it for several seconds, make sure that the engine is off. We're going to take a look and see what the trouble codes are on this thing. The mileage. Alright. Shit, I did that wrong. All right, we are going to see what our trouble codes are for our motorcycle. This is a 2009 Harley Davidson XL 1200 low. All right, so the first thing you do, grab that, the trip button on the back of your speedometer. That's why they recommend having OEM. And that's another reason why I went ahead and put that on here. Look at the mileage. Now, I gotta put you down. Turn your ignition key on. Hold it. Diagnose. Alright, so we're going to go through here. We see that, we see that, we see that, we see that. Alright, so what we got is I want to say PO 131. PO 151. Oh, alright, only flashed up 2 codes. Now, you're going to end up going online and taking a look and see what those codes are. I can tell you right now, those are oxygen sensor codes. In fact, I believe the 131 indicates that it's too lean for the front. And then 151 is lean for the rear. Now, if I had the 152, that would tell me that it's not lean. Well, actually, I had the combination of the 3 codes if you took a look on Instagram. I had 3 codes show up. PO 131, PO 151, and PO 152. Well, pretty much my oxygen sensors are gone to crap, which was kind of expected considering it's a 2009, and having that tuner program that was tuner bypass, that fuel pack piece of junk from Vance Hines. There we go, we'll call it that. The piece of junk that came on here. I'm a guy who's like his vehicle's OEM. For the most part. I mean, yeah, I like the loud exhaust. That was one thing in which I liked about the bike. I didn't know about the fuel pack until I went ahead and, started tearing the bike around, seeing exactly what was going on. Battery was dying on the thing. Found out what that problem was. Resolved it. But the oxygen sensors, now, that's going to be something else. Now, I could go over to Harley Davidson, pay OEM prices, and do what some of the motor vloggers out there do, and bitch about the Harley prices, but I'm not going to buy a Harley. In fact, Bosch, Walker or Bosch? Well, Bosch is local. Sorry, I'm confusing my mother-in-law's O2 sensor issue, which just so happens to be the same problem which I'm having with my own. But her O2 sensor needs to get replaced. You can pick that up over at AutoZone for about $50. The O2 sensors that you can get for the Harley Davidson are about $60 to $70, depending on where you go. JP Cycles had it for about $80. Maybe it was $60. Amazon happens to have Walker sensors, which are very good. going for $38 for this Harley Davidson. So, guess where we're going? We're going to be making an Amazon purchase. That's right. Home viewers, we will be purchasing on Amazon. So, that'll be the next part of it. I diagnosed what the problem was with the bike, O2 sensors. Now we're going to go ahead and order up the O2 sensors. Hopefully they arrive shortly. I'm just trying to think when I get paid. Yeah, who cares? I'll just stick it in the credit card. 0 interest. Blah, blah, blah. Amazon. Blah, 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 blah. Buy their products. Blah, 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 blah. I'm an Amazon whore. I endorse their products. And I don't get anything for it. Because that's what a true motovlogger does. Or YouTuber. Just do it for the fun. Having endorsements is always fun, but it leaves you with limitations. I don't like being limited. I like doing things my own way. Yeah. So, lost in thought. Anyways, off to ordering. In the next segment, we're going to tear it apart, which is really fucking easy, and putting it back together.